Happy Memorial Day, guys, especially for the viewers out there, residing here in the US. And we want to take this time to really thank and be grateful for all the men and women who serve and protect and defend our country. Well, guys, this week is going to be wild. I mean, in terms of action, in terms of volatility, guys, this week is going to be maybe one of the most decisive week on AMC. We have three things to talk about. First thing first, guys. This is AMC Entertainment Stock trading right now on the German stock exchange, okay, versus Frankfurt, okay. And right now you can see it's up 12%, 122 on the day. At a point a couple of minutes ago it was above 25, but it does give us a good indication on what Tuesday might look like, okay. So that is out of the way, just for you guys to be aware. Now here's the other thing, guys. This week we have two other things that will potentially push the share price of AMC maybe more than 200% on the week close, okay. First thing is we had a long weekend. And on Friday we already knew that the hedges didn't cover. As a matter of fact, they doubled down, okay. That is not new information, but the truth of the matter is, over the weekend we had time to recruit. Yes, that's the word, to recruit other apes into the community, okay, because people already, the media already shared the light around AMC beating the best performing stock so far this year. I beat you to these guys. Give me any other stock that performed better than AMC this whole year so far. Now, over the weekend, since we have a long weekend, people have been talking through, okay, what is about AMC? People have time to really do their research. People have time to really get to know and gather all the information they didn't have, especially for those who either didn't get in on AMC when it was at $5. They didn't get in at $10. They didn't get in at $15. They didn't get in at $20. And right now they've seen the dip, okay? They've seen the dip coming here from where we jumped on Friday from 36 to 26, and they made a man, I'm gonna buy here after hours, and they did buy, okay. And over the weekend they also encourage friends, colleagues, family members into buying AMC, so that FOMO is definitely our best friend moving forward this week, okay. And the FOMO is not even within the retail investors, it's also within the banks. If you go through here on MarketBeat, guys, this has never been so high in terms of banks, suits, institution buying AMC stock, okay? This is not new information, but when you get to the number of additional banks, ETFs, funds buying AMC day after day, it is incredible. So what does that mean? Well, these all new buyers that are bought by FOMO, well, they will get us to a point where maybe through midweek we get to that 100% gain, because this week we also have the share recount. Well, the share recount will definitely tell us what we already kind of knew per se, but we don't have the official data, okay, because the shorts are not mandatory. It's not a requirement for the shorts to post their short positions into Fintel, okay. And I made a total video on that, please, if you haven't watched it, please go in there. And pretty much all the data on AMC that we think we know, it's even worse than what we think we have, okay. So when we do have the share recount, it will give us exactly the amount of shares that are being used, synthetic shares, naked shares, because it doesn't make sense that we have so many buyers on the stock, but it keeps going down. We don't, and this is a result of people buying, not even the hedges shorting. So when that info will be available, and the CEO of AMC, Adam Aaron, promised that it will make that info available in public, well, it will bring people to be even more confident into even buying more shares of AMC, okay. And in the meantime, maybe the shorts, especially the big ones, will also double down or triple down on the short positions. Well, the thing is, the shorter or the higher they short, the higher AMC has the potential to go, because people are buying because these guys are shorting. So guys, maybe this will bring us to $100 price. I'm speculating, but given the price action we had last week and all of these new, 3 events that are supposed to happen this week, then maybe instead of doubling, we may quadruple. And that's why I think we may have a wild week. But either way, it's going to be epic. So brace yourself, guys, and you already know what to do. Buy and hold.